Okay, so first what we'll see, what is ICT tools. So what is the ICT? So information communication technology tools are digital infrastructure such as computers, laptops, desktops, data projectors, software programs, printers, scanners, and interactive teaching box. The ICT tools are the latest technology or devices and concepts used in information and communication technology among students to teacher interaction. So you can see there are lots of examples are there. By using this, we can teach to our students. For example, if flipped classrooms are there. So many mobile apps are there nowadays. You can use it to teaching, learning in the teaching learning process, and the clickers devices are there. So by using this tools, the interactive tools, we can teach to our students in interactive manner. So nowadays you can see there are lots of resources are available to teach to students in interactive manner. See, earlier days what we are doing, we are using a chalk and the boards to teach to our students, but nowadays everything is changed. If we want to showcase something, we have to use it ICT tools, just like we are using projectors. Okay, nowadays you can see there are different types of projectors are available that you can use it. You can use it PowerPoint slides. If you have to take it to quiz, for the quiz you have to use it Google Forms. Also there are free resources available. By using these free resources means I don't want to pay anything. By using these free resources, we can use the teaching learning process in interactive manner, and we have to teach to the students. See, I will show you which are the tools that mostly we are using in the teaching learning process. So you can say there is one good platform is Google Forms. See, for example, if you want to take a quiz, okay, you have arranged one quiz and you want to take it online wherever your students are there. They will solve the quiz and you'll get a responses. How we can use a quiz? So there is one free resources available, that is Google Forms. So how we can use it, Google Forms? So you have to go into the Google, open it on the browser Google, and you can just write Google Forms. So you'll see the links are available here. So you can click it, Google Forms sign in options. Okay, so when you click it, it will open a Google Forms platform. So here you can see you can create a different kinds of forms. Okay, you can create a quiz, you can create a contact information, you can party invite. See, as per your needs, as per what you want, you can create your forms. Okay, there is a blank form. So already predefined templates are available. See here, it is a template gallery. You can take it the available templates and you can use it as per your needs. Okay, so I had designed one sample. As we know, nowadays COVID-19 is going on, and this COVID-19, all the education sectors and all the organizations, they're taking one quiz as per the government's norms. Okay, so how to design these forms? So you can see, if you want to design a form, you can just create a blank form, or you can go with the available templates. When you click on that, you'll see such kind of forms will be generated. So if you want to just add this header image, so from where we can add this header image? So you can click here on a customized theme. When you click on a customized theme, here you will find out options. So here it is, a header option is there. Okay, so this header means this header image. If you want to change it, you can change it. For example, this image already I have uploaded. If I want to cancel, I will just click on cancel, so image will be gone. Okay, if I want to add image, so I'll click on choose image option. When you click on the choose image option, you will find out there are many options are available. See, you can use the themes. If you want to upload your image, you can upload it. You can click on a browse button and you can give your path. Okay, wherever you have saved your image on your machine, just you can give path, the image will be uploaded. Otherwise you can go with the available images, the themes, work and schools, illustrations, birthday. So these are the images, the header images available, that as per your needs, what kind of form you are designing, accordingly you can choose these images. So I will go the work and the school. So here are the images are there. So you can choose it anyone. For example, I have chosen this one. So I will choose this and click on a insert button. If you click on insert button, you can see this image is uploaded on the header. If you want to change the color, the background color, so from here you can change the background colors. Okay, so you can change it to gray, dark gray. Okay, so whatever the available colors are there, that you can check it. For example, if I click on a gray, so the color will be gray now. Okay, so if I choose this color dark, so this dark will be available. Okay, so as per your convenience, what you like, accordingly you can choose the background color. If you want to choose theme color, then you can choose the theme color from here. Okay, so this is one color I have chosen. If you want to choose a different color, you can click it here. So this color will be changed. Okay, so this is a theme color. If you want to change font style, you can choose a font style from here. So these are some font styles available. Okay, so whichever you like it, just you can go with that font. So this is about theme options, that you can change these theme options from here in the customize theme. So we have seen how to change the header image. So these are some sections are available. You can create a different sections. Okay, so this is your header contents, the text. You can give it whatever you want. Okay, so what kind of form you're designing. If it is a quiz, then you can write it a quiz, what kind of quiz it is there. Okay, the course, you can mention it a course name it also here. Okay, so you can add it a controls also here. Okay, so this is email address required, so I have added email address control. So from here you can use this controls or text, whatever the controls you want, just you can import it from here. So this is import question. So this is add title and the description, that like what I have added here. If you want to add an image, you can add it image here. If you want to add a video, you can add it a video here. If you want add a section, you can add it a section here, just like this section. So total here 3 sections are there. If you want to add a section, you can add it section from here also. So this is see, if you want to click on this add question section, so I have added one question. So here this is the text of the question. Here it is when this person solve this, means they want to put something. Okay, they want to give the answer, so the answer will be taken from here. So what kind of your answer it is, that you can choose it from here, whether it is a short answer, whether it is a paragraph, or whether it is a multiple type question. Okay, so whether it is check boxes, whether you want to drop down, whether it is a file upload option. Okay, so if it is a multiple choice grade, if it is a checkbox grade, whether it is a date, time, so this kind of controls you can add it from here. Okay, so here answer, what kind of your answer it is there. Okay, here it is an answer key, you need to submit an answer key also. Suppose if it is a, for example, you have solving a multiple type question, MCQ is there. Okay, so you have given the 4 options, and what is the right answer. So you can choose it from here, answer key. Okay, so you can make it, what is your answer. Okay, what is your correct answer. Okay, and that you can submit it, and what is the grade you want to assign it for this correct answer. You can mention it here grades, and you can click on it done. So this particular answer will be saved, that is the correct answer. Okay, so this is about questions. So like that questions you can edit more, multiple questions you can edit. If this is required, then you can click it required. If this is not required, it will not take it. Okay, means whenever user will submit it, okay, if he is not solve this question, then also the form will submit. If you make it as a required, then he need to submit this question. Okay, means he need to write the answer, then only the form will be submitted, otherwise the form will not going to submit it. So this is duplicate the same questions. You want to need it more than one times, then you can create duplicates from here. If you want to delete this, you can create it from here. You can just click on a delete, the particular question will be deleted from here. So likewise you can create multiple questions. So this is section 2. So here it is, I have created a multiple type question. This is the MCQ. So here you can see one question already I given. So this is, see, you can answer is a type of multiple choice. So here it is, multiple choice are there total, and all of these choices. Okay, so I have mentioned it here. If you want to add another option, you can add it from here. I have submitted an answer key. So you can see the answer key is this one. Okay, and the points you can mention it. I have not mentioned any points, so you can mention it as a point. What are the points you want to give it, and click on a done. If you want to give any feedback, so you can give it a feedback also. Okay, so this is about a question. So likewise you can add it on multiple questions here. And the last section, I have added a pledge. Okay, so when the particular person will solve this, you will get a responses. For example, if you want to see preview, so here it is one button, preview. So if you have to click on it, so you can see the preview of your form. So likewise the form will be displayed on your the console on your end user. Okay, so here next button is there, because we have total 3 sections. So this is the page 1, page 2, page 3. Likewise, see, when I have to click on the next button, it will prompt me these are the required questions, because we have made it as a required. Okay, so you can write it whatever the fields are there, your email address, the full name, address, mobile. Okay, and then we have to click on the next button. See, if you can write it some sample, for example, abc@gmail.com, you can write it answer here. For example, it is a abc address, a test, mobile number, I will write it 678. Okay, so I'll click on the next button. So here is my questionnaire. So the user will solve these questions. So I will click it anything. So these are some questions. So you can see these are the 0 points I mentioned for all the questions. I have not given any points. And click on the next button. See, when you click on the next button, you will see your last section, that is a place. And when you click on the submit button, the form will be submit, and you will see one response. Thank you for your submission, you will get your certificate by mail, please check your mail. See, you can send the certificate also. Okay, if he successfully complete this exam, and as per the grades, what are the grades you have mentioned, and he got a more than 80-90%, whatever you have mentioned there, if you want to give a certificate, you can give a certificate also. So they will receive the certificate on their mail if he successfully completed and if he passed the exam. So how we can do this, how we can do this one? Okay, see, this form already we have completed. Suppose if I want to check the responses, see, here is response tab is there. If you have to click on response tab, you can see the responses, what are the responses we have got. See, here it is one response, because right now we have solved this one. Okay, so here I have mentioned accepting responses, we are accepting responses. So this is a summary, we'll get it. See, average points, median, range, insights. So this kind of, see, correct responses. What are the correct response? Because right now I have chosen randomly, so the correct, no, nothing is correct responses. So here you will get your scores, because already I have mentioned it is 0 points. So you can see it's mentioned is 0. Score released, it's not released. The name of the person who given the response, the address and the mobile number. See, and all the responses you can check it here. So which one is if it is a he successfully given the correct answer, so it will be made as a green. So these are the responses, only two. Here you can see correct answers are there. Total points I mentioned it is 300. So this is about responses. If you want to click on this three vertical buttons, you will get more options. Get email notification for new responses, select response destination. If you want to download this response, you can download it in the CSV format. If you want to print it, you can print it all the responses. If you want to delete this response, you can delete it from here also. Okay, so this is about responses. And I told you about he will get a certificate if he succeed the exam. Okay, so how we can add a certificate? See, here you can see a one menu, add-ons. There is the add-ons. Okay, if you have to click on add-ons, here you will find out add-ons. Okay, so there is one add-on, certify em. So this is a certify em add-on. So what is the use of the certify em add-on? So Google provides many of add-ons. So one of them is a certify em. By using the certify em, we can send the certificate to the students who have passed this exam. Okay, or he got whatever the criteria I have mentioned, is more than 80%, more than 90%. If he got this, he will get a certificate. Okay, so how to add the certificate? Okay, so I will click on show certify em control. So you will see this is certify em control. Okay, so before that, what I will show from where we can add these add-ons. Okay, this certify em add-on. So you can click it here. So let's find out the add-ons. Okay, so on this, in these options, add-ons, you have to click on add-ons. When you have to click on add-ons, you can see the add-ons offered by Google, they have listed here. So whichever the add-ons you need it, just you can search it from here and you can install it. So we need a certify em add-on. Okay, so I will search for the certify em. Okay, so this is one add-on. See, now here it is, already I have installed this one add-on, so that's why it's showing install. When you have to click on, you will get information about these add-ons. So how we can do this one? So overview and what is the use of these add-ons, so the reviews about these add-ons. So all this information you will get it from here. So here we need this add-on. So why we need this add-on? Because whenever this particular user completed this questionnaire, okay, so what are the questionnaire we have given, so when he completed this one, and he will get maximum grade, so I want to send such kind of certificate to him or her. Okay, so for this I need this certify em add-on. So I have installed this one. So now you have to close this one. So when you have installed any add-ons, you can find out from here add-ons. See, here I have installed only one add-on. Okay, so when you have to click on this, you can see whatever the add-ons that you have installed. So here I installed only one add-on, that is a certify em. So when you have to click on this, so this add-on, you can see it here. Okay, what are the settings that you have to configure it? So the status now it is off. Okay, so when you turn on the status, the user who succeed this questionnaire, who successfully completes, they will get it this certificate. So I will click on turn on. So it will turn on the certificate. It will record the certificate. Okay, the passing percentage you need to mention it. See, now it is a certificate is on, so you have to mention the passing percentage, so I will mention it is a 80. So those who will get above 80%, so they will receive the certificate on their mail. Okay, so what is a template? The template here, it is a blank frame. Okay, so you have to assign the template, what kind of template you required. So here you can find out many other templates are there. So golden template is there, brown frame, horizontal lines, purple banner. Okay, so these are some predefined templates are there that you can use it, or you have to create it your own. Okay, so you can use it a custom template. Okay, so how to use a custom template and how to design it. So I will show you how to design it and how you can attach this template to this particular questionnaire. Okay, so normally quota is 100 emails. Okay, so daily you can send it only 100 certificates. Okay, so before that, what we'll do, we'll first create our custom template. Okay, the custom certificate. So how we can create a custom certificate? Again, you have to go to the Google, and here you can write a Google slide. Okay, so we need to go to the Google slide, and you have to just open it, Google slide. So you can see here the Google slide platform is open. Now here you can create your own certificate. So you can see here already a predefined templates are available. You can take it from this one, or you have to create it your own. So I will create by using a predefined template. So this is a student certificate. I have to design it. So this is student certificate. See, so here you can change it. Okay, as per your convenience. So you can write it here, you can change it by your own symbol, your college, your school's symbol. Okay, so you can change this one, you can delete this one, and you can add this your image. Okay, whatever your school image, school logo is there, that you can add it from here. Here you can write it your own contents, your name of the school or something. Your school name. Here it is a, we want to display a student name. Okay, so how you can write it this one? So actually this is by default that we have to just delete this one, and you can write like this way. Here it is, I want to display a name. So here you can write your contents, the certificate contents, that what you want to showcase, and the date. You can write it a school name, your person names. You can design it as per your convenience. Here I want to display a date, so I will write it here, a date. So this is a sample certificate I have designed, and this I want to attach it. Okay, so here I want to write full name, your contents, and the certificate. This is ready. That you have to change all the contents what you want. If suppose if you want to add a sign, so you can add it signs also here. It's just like in a standard certificate format, you can use that one. Now I want to name it to the certificate, so I will give a right, and I will mention a rename certificate. So this is my sample certificate. Okay, so this is my sample certificate. I have designed this one. Now you have to go to the your certify.m add-on, and from here you can choose use a custom template. Then you have to click on a custom template. It will connect to your drive, your Google Slides. Select a new file, and from your presentations, see, this is a sample certificate what we have designed earlier. Okay, so you have to select this one, select. Okay, so you can see this is a sample certificate. So what we have designed this one, this is a sample certificate. So here you can see this is a sample certificate I have connected to my Google Doc, and you can save the changes. See here, now it is a sample certificate. If you want to preview, you can preview also. You can preview sample templates. So this again, preview all are there. So likewise you can use it. And if you want to see a sample email whatever you design, so you can click on email me sample, so it will mail you a sample certificate. Okay, so this is about Google Doc. So this you can use it in your schools or colleges to take a quiz or for anything whatever you want. Okay, so for this you have to use the Google Docs. Thank you very much.